past is never come again. The present is
I'm like trying to be as present.
In 2021 says that being present-minded helps us stay happy and healthy.
It's such a simple word, but it holds so much power. Maybe too much power. And yet, it's the one we overlook the most. We're constantly worrying about the future, even though it's completely unpredictable. Or we're stuck replaying the past, even though it's already behind us. Neither of those is in our control anymore. But the present, that's where the magic happens.
What is Jackson Man doing here then?
So, hi, I'm Hannah, and this is my trip to Thailand. Now here is the fun part. This trip happened just 2 weeks before my medical entrance exam, for which I had been preparing the entire year, taking a gap year. Now I know what you're thinking.
Hannah, what are you doing? Shouldn't you be studying?
Trust me, I asked myself the same question.
Hey, in my defense, the exam had already happened once, and then it got cancelled.
Ooh, the famous brokie cookie sandwich thing.
Frankly, I just wanted to make the younger version of myself happy.
It's definitely like a cookie, more than a brownie. Don't mind our looks.
7-Eleven was 70% of our itinerary, and surprisingly, I'm still not bored. In fact, I'm still daydreaming about those Thai teas and toasties. Damn, that rhymed. Also, we met the cutest little baby. Her name was Anne. Unfortunately, I think she was low-key terrified of me. Honestly, fair enough. I did look crazy with red hair. One thing I've noticed about Thai people is that how present they seem. They don't look like they're trapped by the past or constantly worrying about the future. They're just here, in the moment. As an emerging workaholic and formerly burned out student, I found them pretty fascinating. Ever since I was a child, I always wanted to start a YouTube channel. Not for the fame or the money, but just for the feeling of it. That's what I grew up watching.
Whoa, there's something going on here. Somebody's dancing.
But I kept talking myself out of it. What if I'm bad? What if people judge me?
Hi! Sawadee!
But somewhere along the way I realized people are going to have opinions no matter what. So I might as well do the things I always wanted to do.
We're in the Pattaya floating market, and I just got the goods. My first ever mango sticky rice. It was 50 baht, and they already ate half of it. Mango, very sweet and juicy. Rice, very sticky because it's sticky rice.
Personally, I don't think staying present has to be that hard. I think when you're in the right place, surrounded by the right people, it becomes a little easier to simply enjoy the present. In case you're wondering what's happening in this clip, my microphone wasn't connected. Oops. You're basically watching me and my sister passionately debating how ridiculously good the tteokbokki was and how amazing her chicken and rice tasted. I know that's much easier said than done. Staying present is hard. We're humans. We overthink, we make mistakes, and that's completely normal. For example, I accidentally bought an overpriced matcha, which, by the way, I didn't enjoy. Life is a never-ending marathon. There will always be another destination to chase, another goal to reach, another place to explore. But I think the real magic is learning to fall in love with the process. Because when you stop waiting for the next milestone and start appreciating the journey, that's when you truly begin living.
Oh my god, look at this. The sun is so pretty. This is the epitome of sun-kissed. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I don't know. This is the fit. Oh, it's giving runner. What? I don't know. Anyway, the sun is beautiful And there's Mishu. As beautiful as sun.
No, treat me like
Ew! Why did I say that?
no such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Left yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive.